Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the DOOGEE Blade GT, a phone that's been generating buzz for its incredible specs and versatile features.
Newbie-friendly smart light phone. And there are some smart light effects and fun expressions.
Let's open this up. Now meet the Blade GT by DOOGEE, a smartphone designed to elevate your tech game. Packed with innovative features, rugged durability, and cutting-edge performance, this device delivers way more than meets the eye. In today's review, we'll explore everything you need to know: design, display, and performance, cameras, and all the unique features that make it stand out. Now, the Blade GT features an eye-catching flowing light design with a unique futuristic look. Available in exclusive gradient colors, the back cover shimmers under different lighting conditions, making this phone a statement piece. It's lightweight and feels premium in hand, but don't let its sleek appearance fool you. This phone is built tough. With IP68 and IP69K certifications for water and dust resistance, it can survive drops, scratches, and extreme conditions.
The Blade GT is equipped with a stunning 6.72
Full HD Plus AMOLED display, offering rich colors, deep blacks, and ultra smooth visual thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, the experience is immersive and lag-free. It also features an eye protection mode for reduced blue light, so you can comfortably use it for hours, day or night. Now, at the heart of the GT Plus
is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050
paired with up to
12 gigs of RAM.
and what we have here is 256 gigs. This combination guarantees lightning fast performance even for the most demanding tasks like 3D gaming or video editing. Now, the advanced cooling system ensures your device stays cool even during heavy gaming sessions. With the 5G connectivity, downloading large files or streaming in high resolution is a breeze.
So right now we're just gonna do a test of the speakers from the DOOGEE Blade GT. Let's see if it's any good. We usually use this bass boosted music right here. So we're just gonna test it out and see how well it does. Here we go. the speaker is coming from this side right there. It's the only spot, not up here. So it's not very surround sound speakers, but I think for its price point, the speakers are not too bad at all.
Now let's try out the Blade GT's camera. Let's take this plant right here. Now let's take a picture with the Blade GT's camera. There you go. No fancy tricks. Not bad at all. Now the camera are nothing short of impressive. The 48 megapixel lens primary sensor captures stunning detailed images, while the 5 megapixel ultra wide lens is perfect for group shots and landscapes. But of course, the standard feature is the night vision sensor. This uses infrared technology to capture clear, sharp images in complete darkness, perfect for nighttime adventures or low light photography.
So right now it's pretty dark in here. Let's see if the DOOGEE Blade GT can handle it. Take a picture here. It's the night mode shot right there. So right now we're testing the DOOGEE Blade GT. I'm holding it pretty steady right now, as if you're just taking a video as per normal. Let's do a little shake test there. This is me walking backwards. Take a video. It's my Christmas tree there. A little focus action here. Go really close to these guys. Let's see the autofocus. There it is. And then this guy right here. There it is. Let me know what you think of the quality of this footage. If it's any useful, any good. I think it's not too bad, honestly. Right now it's shooting 4K apparently, so not bad at all.
Now, of course, a phone is nothing without its battery. The Blade GT is powered by a massive 5500 milliamp hour battery, providing all-day power for gaming, streaming, and browsing. And when you need to recharge, the 18-watt fast charging gets you back up to 80% in just 30 minutes. Now, for light users, this battery can last easily up to 2 days, making it perfect for those on the go. Now, the Blade GT runs in Android 14, which offers a clean, user-friendly experience with plenty of customization options. Features like Game Turbo Mode optimize performance during gaming sessions, while gesture controls and multifunctional side key makes the navigation quick and intuitive. Now, the side key is a unique addition. Customize it to launch your favorite apps or activate the camera with just one press of a button. It's a small touch, but it adds a lot of convenience. Now, the Blade GT offers dual SIM capabilities, making it ideal for travelers or anyone juggling personal or work numbers. With expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, you'll never run out of space for photos, videos, and apps. Now, I love how it has NFC support as well, so you can make contactless payments and pair devices effortlessly. It's future-proof and versatile. Now, the rugged design on the side here is a military-grade toughness. The Blade GT is perfect for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. It's water-resistant, dust-proof, and built to handle extreme temperatures, so you can take it anywhere without worrying. Now, the price for the Blade GT is $359. It offers incredible value for its feature-packed design, from its flagship-level cameras and display to its rugged durability and 5G connectivity. This phone punches well above its price point. Now, it's perfect for gamers, photographers, or anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance smartphone without breaking the bank. So that's really it for today. That's the DOOGEE Blade GT in a nutshell. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments if this is your next smartphone or if there's another device you'd like for us to review. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Until next time, stay techy and stay connected. Peace.